Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, y'all, to another trading video or stream, whatever. We here to get the shmoneys. That's all I know, right? My apologies for being a little late today. Um, I was stuck in traffic. This Atlanta traffic, I'm getting used to this Atlanta traffic, y'all. So I'm gonna have to change some things up because it's getting me here a little on stream a little late. This Atlanta traffic is something serious. All right. So this is my first weekend up here. I just got here. Trying to get the computers and stuff set up, like I told y'all before, for the ones that do follow me. So y'all know that I'm in transitioning right now, right? And setting up the computers in a new spot in Atlanta. All right. So we gonna get right on into it, guys. Y'all already know that I trade gold because I mean, I'm be honest, it's Monday and it's not much going on a Monday, you know. You might be able to get some monies. I have an idea, two ideas here on the screen already. All right, these are been up here since last week Friday. All right, these were ideas that I was like, well, if market is to keep coming up, cause we was playing all up in this area here, right? I think we did get stop loss out on one of the trades. But if you were in the Telegram group, let me tell you, this is why it's so special to hit that Telegram link at the bottom, in the description down there at the bottom. It's important to hit that link because look, on stream, yeah, we might not caught a good trade on stream, but off stream, we turned around and caught TP1, 2, and 3 real quick and some. So, you want to, yeah, it might have been a red day on the stream, but it was a green day overall. You understand what I'm saying? You got to be here and be present. This is why you got to be a part of the whole cycle, not just jump on the stream, but also be a part of the Telegram group. So this way you can get the updates that I do send the group. Okay. So far, it's Monday. It's a quiet Monday. We're not really doing anything, guys. All right. I'm going to be honest with you. We're not really doing nothing. I really don't see anything as of just yet. As far just these areas here. Okay. And that area there is let's look down. I'm pretty sure it's somewhere on a lower time frame, of course. All right, well, let's see what we got. Okay, so we got this insufficiency here that we see, right? My eye see it. I see that, right? But we also had this last candle right here, right? It pushed up and then it got to push down. So this is a buy to sell candle. And you could tell because after that, it sold off completely and got, massive amounts of pips. Okay. All right. So this is that buy to sell, right? They are in drawdown inside of this candle, guys. So chances of this market continuing to the upside to get up into this level, strong chance we could get up there. Okay. It's all about just being vigilant and just keeping your eyes open on what you see on the chart, guys. Again, we are not here to look at this and be perfect. We are here to look at this and just be consistent. Because with consistency, you're going to find out how well your eyes are over time. You will get better and better. Okay. I'm just here to help you out with your eyes. Okay. So let's see what it is that we're doing here is there's just buyers and sellers in this market, guys. If this is your first time ever looking at this shit and you like, I don't know what the heck I'm looking at. What are these things called? I don't even know what this is that I'm looking at. That's blind. This is an actual chart, a blank chart. This is what it would look like if you pulled it up without all the drawings that I put on there, right? So basically, excuse me. I need my water. Because I want to break this down for y'all real quick. Because I got an appointment and I have to be present for it. So, and then, like I said, Atlanta traffic crazy. So, all right. So let's get to it. Here we are on a 1 hour chart. Okay. We can basically go to like, let's go to a daily. Let's just look at the daily and just see what it's doing overall. All right. Daily, we've been bullish, guys. We've been bullish. We've been moving to the upside for days now. 1, 2, 3 trading days. We've been moving up. All right. Overall, if you're looking at this market overall, yes, we are still bullish. We've been down here and then we've got up here. So we're calling bullish on the daily, right? Good enough. I'm just going to run down a top down analysis with you real quick. All right. Here, let's see what we got. All right, let's do a little storytelling. We've been moving up, pushed up. When we were moving up, we were creating insufficiency in price, which means that we would have to eventually come back down and fill it. Come back down and fill it, meaning just these candles will have to be printed down into that price zone again. All right. All right. Hope I'm not going too fast. Right. If I am, hit that slow down button when you play back. When you play this thing back, hit the slow down. Because I can't slow down right now. I gotta make it quick for you. All right. So catch up. All right. So we got slippage. We have more slippage here and more slippage here, and we reached, right, obvious wicks. More like 50% of this wick. I would have called 50% of this wick. There was a gap down below. They never reached it. Looking at this market didn't want to move further down, which means that it was because it didn't get below this low, right? We're still moving to the upside, right? Okay. Makes sense. Makes sense. Okay. Make it make sense, guys. A lot of y'all not making this shit make sense, and it's real simple, right? Keep it simple, stupid. All right. So from this area, nice little area here, market was pushing down, push down here, made a lot of insufficiency here. So what do they have to do? They have to come back and fill that insufficiency, which they did right here. All right, they all of this, and then they fell even deeper, right? Why? There was a gap here, right? What else did they reach for? This wick here got below that wick, and then what? Little obvious little candle and this little spike push up, right? Right there is like a little gap, right? I see it right here. So we got a gap, and if you look right, well, just look right here. Boom. This wick comes down, mitigates into that, mitigate out. Boom. Right? So simple. All right. So then before we did this, right down here, you got slippage up here, slippage. So this is why I'm saying we're still moving up, because we got that slippage above. All right. Let me see something. Sorry guys, give me 1 second. I'm having an issue with a volume. I don't even know. Okay, hold on. It's a volume issue. I don't know why I'm having an issue with volume. Let's see. So output. Everything looks good. I don't understand why. Okay, everything looks good though. All right. Maybe there's just some type of YouTube error. All right, close. Okay. So back to here. We have a gap here, guys. So we could move up and dip into this gap. This is a buy to sell candle right here. All right. All this, so I'm talking this smart money concepts here, guys. All right. when you got these buy and sell areas. You got to understand how market plays in the first place, as far as how does, big banks play. They have to play a certain way and get into position. So they have to hedge themselves into position, which this is what they do. They hedge themselves into position so that they'll put themselves in drawdown basically, and then they'll come back for it later. Okay. It's like money left on the table, and they will come get it. Okay. That's all I'm saying. Let's keep looking. All right. So we got this gap. I'm going to unfreeze this right there. All right. And I want to see what's going on. So I have future predictions here. This is not something that we're like, there's a signal right now, but this is just a future prediction. I'm wondering if she gets up in this area, could we sell off of here? Or should we sell 50% of here, right? Or should we sell here? I want to take my chances and get in 50% of this insufficiency on the 1 hour and give it like a little, I don't know, 50 pip stop. I want to see how she looks here though. She has to look right for me to be able to get into this trade. I'm not going to just get into it. She needs to look right. All right. And what I mean by that, she has to do a setup on a lower time frame, which we'll drop down to in just a second. All right. So when we have this one here, I'm gonna narrow this one down some more for us because that's huge. Maybe it's a 15-minute. Let me check. All right, it's not a 15-minute and it's not a 1 hour, but that's okay because we can go ahead and narrow this down to here. We will eventually have to do it anyway. All right, and we do have what? A buy to sell candle. So this candle here, let's see, we grab it. This one that I'm highlighting. All right. I'm just trying to grab it and move it and slide this area of interest over now because I want to be able to see where in the future we're going to come up there to that eventually. All right. And I see money sitting here. And there's an obvious gap from here to there. So maybe that's what oh dear, about the gap was with this up there, maybe. All right. Okay. Let's see. So we got different areas. So what I want to do is get rid of this P&L real quick, and I just want to slide this over some more. And okay, so we are trucking. We moving up. All right. I want to see if we get into this area of interest. And I got a 50 pip stop on that area. So let me just come over here and look and see what's going on. All right, guys, we're going to get rid of something. We're going to get rid of this here because we don't need it because we've already completed this? Yeah, we completed this. So when I'm looking left, I don't want to be confused on where we are. All right. So we're good here. Oh, this is good. Just cleaning up this chart some. All right. Still moving. Okay. This one's complete. Done. So just don't want it too messy. All right. All right, let's see. $25 pip there. Selling off of this, I mean, let's see, selling off this area here. It's 47 pip. I want it to be, this is a 50 pip gap right here, 55 pip gap. So let's see if we can narrow that down. We want to get a little bit more. This is how you get though. This is how I get it. You know, I get sniper shots this way. All right, we just brought that up some more. Just bear with me, guys. It's gonna all make sense real soon. But see, what I don't want to do is get in too early and be in drawdown too much. So let's adjust this here. Now this drawdown gap area, or this gap is not that much in, will be that much in drawdown. Right? There. Now I'm going to go to a 5 minute and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go look left. All right, here. And I'm going to go see what's over here. Okay. So we're going to narrow it down some more, just a little bit. Come on, come back. All right, here. All right, and there is like a little gap sitting here, and there's like this gap here too, you know? So we'll have to see. I think this big one is good. There is one just sitting like right above it. And then we do have this, I'm seeing this right here. But all of this is sufficient. It gets not sufficient when it gets down to 2453.20, 29, it looks like, or 34.34. It gets insufficient. Then it starts getting insufficient, slipping. When I say it's insufficient, I mean it starts to slip. It like makes gaps, right? Let me just see how big this area is from here to here. It's about 45. All right, 43 pip. That's not bad. All right, we narrowed it down. It's now under 50 pips of a gap right there. If we was to hit here and then turn around, so it would be like this. And bring this down. We want to lower our risk to about right there. Right? What did I say? About 45, something like that. We're gonna try it because there is a little gap above this, so but this might be just enough. So they're reaching for it. Now I'm going to set an alert here at this price. And this will be my future trade. I'm gonna be looking for market to come up in here, dip and fall. I needed to do this accumulation, so I'm liking the accumulation that it's been making right now. It's looking pretty good. I like that. Go ahead and set this thing up. And then get up into this area here, 24.48. I'm looking to sell. It's looking good. Just get up in there so we can get maybe a pullback off of this area. Would be nice. Okay. This is my point of interest. Excuse me. And move that out of there. We see this money here. All right. So, I mean, listen, when I'm using dollar signs, all right, I'm looking at it as a gap as money, right? There's a gap and money, even though I'm looking at this here as money too, right? But this is just giving me an idea of me wanting to possibly, you know, make an order off of this. I might want to do a market execution off of this area for a sale. I want this area smaller, and I could get it smaller basically. If I drop down to 1 minute, I could get this thing smaller. All right. As far as like the gap, how many pips the gap is. So let's do it. Let's just do it. Why not? We got time, just a little bit of time. It just gonna take some patience, and hopefully they'll give it to us. Yep, they gave it to us right before they told us we need to choose a plan. All right, y'all don't need to do that either. All right, this looks good, guys. That's good enough. I mean, how much more precise you want it? Right there. Let's move this here. And then the sufficient, it gets not sufficient right here. Right? And we said we're gonna make it more a little more precise, so right there. Okay, so the slipped candle, and then we got a little bit of slip in between this candle and this wick and that wick. So we should be good. All right, now we then made this thing even more precise. So let's see, 16 pip. All right. And I'm looking here, trying to see if I see anything else. I do up here at 23.53. So let me see something. Yeah. All right. This area here is insufficient on the 1 minute. That's just, just gonna be put those lines there. There's just to remind me. But let me just gonna reload the chart. Okay. So what were we doing? We were making this thing more precise. Let's go back to the 15-minute. Let's move this up some more, like right there. And that looks like our future trade right there. So in the future, I'm expecting her to come up here to this level, okay? And then I'm expecting her to fall. So I'm gonna be looking for sales at 24.49.65. And if this shot doesn't pan out, I'll be looking for the next shot. But listen, I can let this flux if I want and just go ahead and put the 50 pip, like 50 pip out. That should be good. And then it can come up into this area too. That 1 minute insufficiency area that I do see on the 1 minute, these two lines, in between these two lines, if this market comes in between, let's say this market comes up, it gets up here and it keeps shooting. Then I'll be like, all right, is it coming here to turn around? and I'm gonna hold this trade right here. I'm gonna hold it and draw down. If it continues, this would be the next one. I'll get stopped out here, 50 pip, and then I'm looking for that next one. Listen, getting stopped out means shit to me. Why? Because my next trade is gonna be, it's gonna cover every loss that I ever had. You feel me? Every time. And I mean this every time. Right? Look at the wins. 55 wins, 16 losses. Well, that was last week. But if I would have stayed on stream, y'all would have got another win, but I had to go. But I did drop the win in the Telegram group, but it just wasn't on stream. Right? All right, but so just know that my wins are gonna outdo my losses. Just know that. You see it right there in front of you. All right, guys. So I kind of know a little bit of what I'm talking about. All right. So well, how much time I got? All right, I got just a few more minutes with you guys, and then I got a jet. But I want you guys to go ahead and take if you want, you could get this price on. You can take a picture of this or whatever. And this is what I'm looking for. So right now I don't have any trades to drop for the group or for the trade. Right, I'm just seeing that this could continue to go up and get into this area, and then I'm waiting on to see how it gets. When it gets up here, I want to see how it reacts off of this area. If it will continue, will it continue to burst through, or will it stall or wick out or whatever? It has to create something here and then come up. So it's going to accumulate for a little bit, guys, and then it's going to take a side, which would probably take the tops, right? Because if we take the tops, then I'm expecting us to go to the bottom. But if it takes bottoms, then I'm going to know that we're getting ready to go up higher, all right? So it just depends. Y'all got to wait until the story is played out. But the story's not played out right now, all right? But that's pretty much it. Let's see. So I told you guys, like, I like to take shots. I'm a sniper in these markets, right? I got sniper eyes. I could see when market is doing its pivot points and stuff like that. And I could do some future stuff like we're doing right now, right? So we're also looking for a few shots in these areas, guys. You want to take shots. That's what I call them. Right, so I'm gonna take a shot here too. Right, and we're gonna, make it kind of tight. We could do you can do 50. Cause listen, I'm gonna catch her more. I'm gonna catch more. When she turns around and do fall, I'm gonna catch all these guys that were buying. Yeah. I'm gonna sell all the way down, about 600 pips. All right, that's how I catch it. And I probably don't even need a 50 pip stop, but this is just an area that I'm going to be looking in. It's like another shot. Then you got these up here, these areas. Yeah, this is money. Right there. I must have moved my money sign. That's a wick. All right. Oh God. All right. So what else we got? We got this right here. So I'm looking at this as a point of interest area too. Here and here. Okay. I'm looking for these tops to get taken. Market to keep pushing up and then turn around. And that will be where I will be looking for sales. All right. That's what I got this week. That's pretty much all I got this week for right now. So I'm looking for shorts right there. And then not like a 50 pip stop. We're going to bring this down. So we're looking for that, what I'm doing is I'm looking for that turnaround pivotal point in the market. Right. And the rule of thumb or the theory is they do like to use gaps as pivotal points. All right. So That's what I do here. I figure out all those gaps. Now, we do have DXY that we do play against, right? And DXY, let's look at DXY just real fast before I got to jet. Figured that. DXY got some movements coming to the upside, even got gaps. So we got gaps here where she has these dollar signs she hasn't gotten yet, but she's getting there at. Wait, she got these guys. These guys out. These guys out. They keep moving up. We still got this here. We got gaps here, this here. And we got this real big insufficiency in price in above. See that? So DXY could move up, 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 and then I'll be looking for gold, selling gold. You see why I want to sell gold so bad? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right. But I'm gonna let gold do its thing. I want to get to 1 hour real quick. Excuse me. All right. And there we have it. Right. We have points of interest, areas of where we're looking for turnaround reversal spots. We do notice that DXY is moving to the upside, taking this little sweet ass time, which it does, which means that gold is a correlation with DXY, meaning that when DXY is moving in a certain direction, gold is moving opposite. So, well, supposedly be moving opposite. They can at some point in time, like how gold is moving up right now and DXY is moving up right now. It looks like they're both moving up, but no. One moves up, one will move down. All right, overall. But let's see. Anything else I need to explain before get off stream? I think we hit everything. These are just, areas of interest that we're looking to sell at if price continues to move up. So these are possible shots. I hope we get it on the first shot. Shoot this baby down. Why? Because what goes up must come down, and it's not going to go up very long. And we do have this nice little, beautiful little W sitting right here, right? So we know what that means. Lots of liquidities in here, and then this market has been moving up. They have to do a pivotal point at some point, and that most likely is going to be like up in the area of gaps. Okay. That's where it's going to be, in areas of gaps. And that's this point of interest area that we're looking at, this pink box right here with the eye in it. That's what we're looking at right now. All right. So that's all I got for you guys. Thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for all the new subscribers too. I'm seeing them subscribers. I'm seeing my analytics in the back office going up. I appreciate every last one of y'all. Y'all the real MVPs. It just motivates me to want to come out here every day and to get this information out to you guys, no matter what. Even if I was late today, I don't give a fuck. I'm still gonna get on here, and I'm, the only reason I wouldn't get on here is if I'm like nowhere near my computers, guys. If I'm not home. You feel me? That's the only way, because I don't go live, outside on my phone or whatever. I only do the streaming thing in my computer setup, right? Everything's set up at home. But that's the only reason why. But other than that, I don't care if I'm late. I'm still going to jump on here. You feel me? I want to get the information out to you. I want you to see what my eyes are seeing for the day or for the month or for the week or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Anything I can do to help you guys out with your charting and, whatever you're trading. If you do want me to trade or mark something else up, like I can mark up Bitcoin, I could do, SPX, I could do NAS 100, US 30, I could do whatever you want me to do. You just got to ask. All right. But my main thing on this channel that I trade is gold. All right. So again, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you ain't subscribed. Make sure you like this video, share it with another trader that's trying to learn how to trade smart money concepts. All right. Make sure you're here tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern time. Be here sharp. I'm going to try to be here sharp. All right. The traffic is so crazy getting from one side to the other, just one side of town to the other side of town. And we on the same exit, so it's like, dang, it's taking some time. All right, but we're gonna figure something out no matter what, guys. Even if I'm a little late, I'm still gonna be here. All right. Other than that, I appreciate every last one of you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. One love, peace. Mo Diesel out.